some fruit.
Oh, the forest is fun. Come and play with me. Happy we.
Panda is walking on the wooden bridge. Panda is exploring the little stream. Panda is dancing around happily. Panda is building a small stone house. Panda's playing with his little friend, the rabbit. Panda is eating a watermelon. Panda is learning to run.
Splishy, splashy, having fun. Playing in the water in the sun.
Panda is collecting some leaves. Panda is resting under the tree shade.
Clap, 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 look at me. Happy bubbles.
Panda is playing with bubbles.
Wow, the apple and the bananas weigh the same.
Panda is learning to
We
weigh
did it.
the things. Panda is playing with a water ball. Panda is watching the sunset and saying goodbye to the day.